Today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick leftover Thanksgiving nacho fries. Here I have some sweet potato fries. I baked these in the oven. They were frozen. You guys could use regular fries if you like, or homemade fries. Put them in the air fryer, whatever you prefer. Next, I'm adding some shredded turkey. Make sure every bite is going to have that nice juicy turkey goodness. Here I have some fontina cheese. If you guys have never tried fontina cheese, it is extremely rich and creamy. You only need about 8 ounces, and it's gonna pair together so well with these flavors today. Last, you gotta add a little stuffing on top. This is gonna add like a crumb topping. With all the butter and stuffing, it's just gonna give it that really delicious crunch. I'm gonna bake these at 425 to melt all that cheese. Every good nacho needs a good salsa. While your nachos are melting away in the oven, you could go ahead and start the salsa by taking all of that leftover cranberry sauce you have, a squeeze of lime juice, and here I have some jalapeño. If you guys don't like spicy, remove the seeds. A little salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix. Look at the colors of this salsa. They're absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes and look at these nachos. They're ready. The smell in the house smells exactly like Thanksgiving. And now for the moment of truth, taste test time. Oh my gosh, I'm in trouble. I gotta quickly take this to my parents' house or else I'm probably gonna finish that whole tray. Get a little bit of everything in there. Oh my gosh, these are extremely good. I was a little skeptical about this. I was laying yesterday on my parents' couch, as usual, my notebook in my lap, and I was trying to think, what should I make for this week's video? And I was wondering, like, what if this doesn't turn out good? My brother asked me, like, what do you do when the recipes don't turn out? So I was a little nervous, but this really hit the ballpark. That salsa on top, it's very good. It's sweet and tangy and has a little bit of spiciness to it. But that cheese, you have to use fontina because it makes the whole nachos. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.